Hello, everybody, and welcome to a quick flash of English with Mr. Ahmed Abdel Fattah. And this time we are going to differentiate between who and whom. So when do we use who and when do we use whom when asking about the subject or the object? In fact, I have received this question from one of my students. Did you lend the book to? So we have who and whom, asking about the object. So let's go and see some more details about the use of both. So if I say, for example, the children saw the thief. So the children here is the subject. In Arabic, we say al-fa'il, and the thief is the object, which is called in Arabic al-maf'ul bih. So when we ask about the subject, we only use who, and we don't need a helping verb like did or do or does. No, we don't need. So it's like a statement. Who saw the thief? The answer is the children. So I am asking about the subject. So the children saw the thief. So this is easy. But when I ask about the object, about the thief, I can use both who or whom. Although whom is more formal, but both are correct. So I say, whom did the children see, or who did the children see? This time I'm asking about the object. So the answer is going to be the thief. You can complete the children saw the thief, but I am asking about the object, which is the thief. So what is the slight difference between using who and whom to ask about an object? If you use who with a preposition, so we put the preposition at the end of the sentence. So I say, who did she go with? The answer, for example, she went with her friend. So I am asking about her friend. Object, مفعول به. But if I ask using whom about the object, if there is a preposition, I start with the preposition. So this is the slight difference. So I start with the preposition. So I say, with whom did she go? And the answer is the same. She went with her friend. Another example. Who did your father speak to? So again, to is a preposition. But if I ask using whom this time, I will put the preposition at the beginning. So I say, to whom. So this is a slight difference between who and whom when we ask about the object. So who did your father speak to? He spoke to my English teacher, for example. And the same answer is going to be here. So this is a slight difference if we have a preposition, but if we don't have a preposition, both are correct. Who and whom to ask about the object. So I am asking about the English teacher in both cases. I am asking about an object, this one. So let's go to our question. So in this case, in our question, we have a preposition at the end. Which one takes the preposition at the end? Who or whom? Of course, who. So in this case, I'm going to choose who. And whom is not going to be a correct answer. So this should be who. Who did you lend the book to? Because we have a preposition at the end. So this is the only factor that can help us get the correct choice here. So in this case, I'm going to say that the best answer, of course, is going to be who. And the reason is, the only reason is we have a preposition at the end of the question. In this case, I can't use whom. Why? Because I need the preposition at the beginning, like this. To whom did you lend the book? In this case, whom is going to be correct. But since we don't have the preposition at the beginning, we can't use whom in this context. So let's go to the dictionary and check. Maybe it's going to help us with some examples. If I put who,
Who?
so used in questions to ask about the name, identity, or function of one or more people. So we say, who is that woman? Who are you phoning? I'm asking about the subject. But look, if we have a preposition, it's at the end. Who's the money for? So if we go to whom, is it going to be the same? No. Whom?
Whom?
Look, whom did they invite? So we can use who or whom here because we don't have prepositions. But if we have a preposition, look, with whom, it must be at the beginning. To whom should I write? So this is the only reason I haven't chosen whom. And this is the only reason I have chosen who, because of the preposition is at the end of the sentence. So this is all from me. Thank you very much, and I hope you have benefited from this flash. Goodbye.